Hello friends, welcome to today's video. Today's going to be a simple one. I wanted to do a little coaster set for coffee mug coasters, and I've gotten a lot of questions about specifically the resin candle holders that I make. I will link to one of the videos in the iCard up there if you're not aware of what I'm talking about whether it's safe to put flame near resin. And yes, it is, you know, once it's cured, yes. But some things that some of my fellow crafters are having issues with is that heat causes their resin to soften. And that's because they're using the wrong type of resin for like hot coffee mugs. With the Total Boat tabletop epoxy, it is meant or rated for a higher temperature. So it's meant to have, not meant specifically to have hot things on it, but it is not going to warp or, you know, melt or anything like that with the hot temperatures, which is why I love the resin specifically for coasters and candle holders and stuff like that. But so I have this little set. This was the weirdest set, if you guys remember me unmolding this a long time ago. It comes with the holder for the coasters, and it only comes with 3 coaster molds for some reason. So that's what we're doing today. We're making the holder and 3 coasters. I assume that you would make 2 sets of coasters to go with it to make an even 6, but yeah, I'm just doing the 3. And for a while now, I have been hoarding these Cat Scrappiness coffee beans. These are made of acrylic, I believe. And I thought, well, if I'm going to do this for like a coffee mug to sit on, coffee beans would be kind of perfect. I just have this packaging out to show you the label, the Cat Scrappiness label. Of course, everything will be listed down below. I'm not affiliated with Cat Scrappiness. That means that if you guys buy something from them, I don't get, you know, any kind of commission or anything. I love her stuff, and full disclosure, she is my adopted sister. Adopted sister, you know what I mean? I just love her stuff, and she has a wide variety of wonderful crafting items, so even if you're a paper crafter, you'll definitely find something you like. Anyway, this is going to be super simple. I'm just going to use clear resin, use the coffee beans, and that's what it's going to be. So let's dive right in after that very, very long introduction. Hang tight. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. Bonus unmolding. It has been a while. Has it been a while? I can't remember since I've done a bonus unmolding. I made these when I did... Oh, I don't even remember which video it was. So I've had these sitting here for a while. So I did a petri dish style in the wing. It turned out real pretty. What do you guys think? I like them. I think they're gorgeous. Very gorgeous. Oh yeah, that's real pretty. Because these molds are very shallow, the ink does drop rather quickly to the bottom, but still, I'm not mad at them. I think they look great. And yeah, that's today's bonus unmolding. Alright friends, so these are cured, but I gotta say, they're looking awful plain. Like very, very plain. So I think that I want to do another like very thin layer of resin on the back before I unmold everything. And I think I'm just going to do it in UV resin because I want to use some brown, either alcohol ink or brown paste. Probably alcohol ink because I want it to be pretty transparent, and just do a thin coat on the back of these so that it looks like it's coffee, I guess. I don't know. I don't know if it'll work. I don't know if it'll look good. But that's what I'm going to try. So so let's go ahead and let's do that. Yeah. Okay. Hang tight. All right. So I took my time, obviously, adding the UV resin coat to these because I didn't want it to spill over or anything. The Total Boat Clear Resin, UV resin, self-levels beautifully. So, I mean, I probably didn't even have to try that hard, but I did it anyway. I've cured all of these for 99 seconds in my little UV light. And now it is time to unmold. They do still look a little plain, but they look a lot better now, I think, with the brown that I added. So, let's see if we can't get these suckers out. So we do have some bubbles. I'm not surprised. These coffee beans probably added a lot of the bubbles when I pushed them in there. Alright, let me readjust that so it doesn't warp. Okay. I actually really like it. I didn't think that I would like it as much as I do. Do I have anything white that I can put behind this? Let's see. Okay, we'll use some paper. So you can see the brown. I really like it. I'm not mad at this at all. Okay. Yeah, it's simple, but it's effective. It works. It's cute. Okay. Same with the coasters. Very, very cute. And again, this set only came with 3 coaster molds. I could not begin to tell you why, because I don't know. But, I mean, they fit in there nicely. Yeah. What do you guys think? I think they're very cute. I like them a lot. Yeah. So, I don't know. That's today's video. I'm glad I broke this thing out again. Because it is a fun mold. It's a very cute mold. And you could do a lot with it. You really could. I had at first thought about doing a petri dish, but I've done so many petri dishes the past few weeks, and I was like, y'all don't want to see that again, so I'm not gonna do that again right now. And I'd had these little coffee beans sitting around for a while and said, hey, let's do some coffee coasters. So yeah, that is today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really does help out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you enjoy resin crafts or crafts in general, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.